you wait till that annoying thing just flies over? Because I felt like you were right on the verge of saying something really important. That's the level of authenticity. How long have you lived here?
We bought late 2019.
And why are the Groundworks folks here today? What's going on?
When we bought the house, the inspector told us, oh, hey, your floor is sloping right here. And we're like, okay, but like there's no cracks in the wall. I was like, okay,
Yeah.
so how many times have you walked into an old house that has a sloping floor? Like, a lot.
It's kind of charming in a way.
So we bought it. We knew there was an issue. We're like, well, we should probably find out what that is. So
Did you know what the issue,
No.
what would cause the issue?
No, he did not go down in the crawl space to find out. He just identified, hey, your floor is sloping and it's right here at this beam. Great. So we thought it was a beam issue. That's it. We knew we wanted to remodel the house, so we've been kind of gearing up for that for the last several years. And finally got to that point this year where we could pull out equity because, we've been here long enough.
So you're using the equity in the house to help make the house better.
Yeah, absolutely.
How does it feel to go from a house where, okay, now we know what the problem is, to having it actually fixed?
Living in a house where there's a problem, especially now that we have the problem identified, it's like, oh my gosh, that wall could collapse at any time.
Why did you go with the company you went with?
For me, it's all about the way a company interacts with me. When they came out and gave me the inspection, they went down with a camera. They showed me what was wrong. They didn't just say, oh yeah, well, you got this wrong or that wrong. No, they showed me. And you can't argue with what you see on the camera.
That's right.
The interaction's just always been great, and I love the fact that you guys are owned and operated by structural engineers. As a real estate agent, I understand how important that is.
Is this your biggest investment on a personal level?
Oh, yeah.
See, they're...
And for most people, their home is.
Right. And that's why it's emotional. When you're walking through the biggest investment of your life, it's like going to the doctor and coming back with some alarming news, right?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
You have to take steps.
Yes.
And if you decide to sell, think of the story you have now.
Oh, absolutely.
Like the true story.
Yeah.
We found a problem, we fixed it, and now it's better than it was.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Are we going to relax later? Will there be cocktails, poolside?
If you got a musty or wet crawl space, go to groundworks.com/row.
And subscribe for more Go Below with Row content every week.